Hi, I'm Dr. Anastasia Vela. Welcome to this quick explainer on cognitive clearance.
Ever hit that dreaded mid-afternoon slump where you feel like you're literally thinking through treacle? That heavy brain fog isn't just you being tired. It's actually a structural, cellular issue. Think of your brain as a high-security vault, custom-built to protect your cellular energy. But a relentless intruder, oxidative stress, is constantly trying to break into this biological vault. Over time, this stress creates tiny, microscopic cracks in your brain's vital structural defenses. These fractures completely compromise your blood-brain barrier, cerebral blood vessels, and mitochondrial membranes. When those membranes leak, your cellular batteries just drain, losing crucial ATP energy production. So how do we fix it? We seal those microscopic cracks using a biological glue. Enter polyprenols. They're the raw plant materials we desperately need to create this internal glue. Your liver acts like a refinery, converting these raw plant polyprenols straight into human dolichols. These dolichols insert right into your damaged membranes, acting like putty to seal those gaps. With the leaks finally sealed up, your mitochondria can get back to optimal ATP production. The exact biochemical lever for this repair process? That's Valavi's T8 Extra. Incredibly, T8 Extra contains a massive 90% concentration of these vital polyprenols. This patented, highly bioavailable complex comes straight from uncultivated Siberian taiga conifers. These molecules also bind reactive oxygen species, literally acting as a shield for your mitochondrial DNA. The daily protocol is super simple. Just dissolve 1 milliliter in room temperature water twice daily. But please, never use hot water. The heat will completely denature these active organic compounds. Because it radically restores cellular energy, avoid taking it late in the evening to prevent sleep disturbances. By sealing those cellular cracks, you fundamentally eliminate the biological root cause of your brain fog. So, is your brain's vault leaking energy today? Let's finally put a stop to the drain.